Alright, this is the AlumaPro gun installed on a Lincoln M25 feeder. And so this is an adapter here. I'll put a link to the adapter part number in the description to the video. So you need that adapter. And then what I did over here was I rewired. I bought this plug off a DigiKey. It's an Amphenol. I'll give a part number for that in the description to the video as well. And so what I did was I took the wiring diagram for the gun. You can find that online, and the wiring diagram for the machine, for this machine, the feeder. You can find that online, and then you match them up and install it to fit that way. I think I also used a wiring diagram from a Miller machine because I don't think everything on here, on the gun's wiring diagram, was quite specific enough, so I also went with a Miller machine so I could find out which ones were like power and ground and stuff like that. This is a water-cooled gun. These are the water cooling hoses. 400 amp gun. The only thing that I haven't got running was the adjustment here, and that I found had a different rating than what the Lincoln ran for its gun, and so I ordered a new rotary thing for that, but have never installed it, and I really don't miss it. I mean, for me it's a 12-foot whip, and I just work right here, 2 steps from the machine. My settings are really predictable. I already know what I'm going to do. If I'm going to do some kind of a new weld, then I'll run it a couple times and I take notes. But generally everything I have doesn't require that I have adjustability right at the gun, because I'm not far away and I don't do a lot of variety of different kinds of welds. These are some of the welds that I've done. That's really ugly. That's old stuff. Those are some of the welds. These are some of the newer ones. And I bought the gun separately. When I bought this from ReadyArc, it came with a steel whip to run steel cable, and then I bought this separately and did the modification to it after I got it. I've been really happy with it. The whole setup delivered was $3,000, including shipping and everything from ReadyArc. It's worked perfect since I've got it. I don't know why somebody else wouldn't try that, I guess. I mean, it's been a brilliant machine. I love it. It's increased my productivity a lot.